Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're in an incognito or private window now. Start immediately. First, confirm which incognito window contains the browsing to remove and close unrelated tabs. Next, open the browser menu, look for 3 dots or a menu icon so you can check site-specific data. If you used extensions that allow logging, disable them first. Once done, proceed to clear site and cookie data for that window. This ensures session traces are removed before you close the private session. Now go deeper. In site settings or cookies and site data, inspect stored entries for each domain you visited. Click each domain and choose Remove or Clear. That deletes cookies, local storage, and related files for that site. If you prefer wholesale removal, choose Clear all site data for the private session. It's faster but less selective. Make sure any extension-specific logs are cleared or turned off. Extensions can persist data outside typical incognito scope. Then prepare to close the window. To finish, close every incognito or private window. That finalizes in-memory session wipe for most browsers. Make sure you're signed out of any accounts and that no syncing across devices reintroduces history. If you still see traces, open regular browser settings and clear cached images, cookies, and history. Also check synced devices and account activity. If problems persist, disable extensions, restart the browser, and reboot the device. Often that removes stubborn residual data and prevents automatic resyncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.